Welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. Samsung is cooking the S23 Ultra to perfection with the ability to take photos in more ways than any smartphone out there. With a first look at the actual camera you are presenting of the Galaxy S23 Ultra Plus, the ability to not only take photos of the stars but also talk to other people using the sky. Of course, I am talking about the satellite connectivity. Oh yes, best believe it is all coming officially on February 1st. Before we talk about the obvious exciting stuff, according to Ice Universe, Samsung has paid a lot of attention to improving the other very important things that don't get a lot of mention. For example, the stabilization is getting even better, which could finally mean that we might actually get ultra civilization mode with the possibility of 4K resolution along with better speakers, quality, better vibration motor, and of course excellent microphone quality, which is very important because phones are literally becoming a proper content creation tool. Of course, for that you need an excellent camera. Well, take a look at this. For the first time on any Galaxy flagship, we have multiple modes starting from 200 MB, then 50 MB, and then 12.5 MB. This is insane flexibility when it comes to taking photos depending on the situation. It kind of was the rate so low light for 12 megapixel shot because then you are gonna get the bigger pixel with the help of binning, and then with the bright scenarios you are going to use the higher 200 megapixel mode for the absolute best quality. And best of both will be the 50 megapixel mode with amazing quality while taking less storage than a 200 megapixel image. Now here is the most exciting part. Samsung is actually collaborating with all these social media companies to make sure that you actually will be able to post these high quality images on the platform with complete optimization. Just imagine how crispy those Instagram photos will look, especially the 200 megapixel ones. Now the cooking does not end here. Samsung now in partnership with Qualcomm brings you satellite connectivity, and it's actually said to be next level than Apple implementation, as it won't just only be for emergency situations, meaning we could even possibly use it for recreation and remote rural or offshore areas. According to Qualcomm, the Snapdragon and satellite will support two-way messaging for emergency use, SMS, texting, and other messaging applications. It will be supported by all Snapdragon Agent devices, meaning the S23 series is included. Of course, Samsung considering how close they are with Qualcomm, we are definitely going to see some exclusive stuff at the Unpacked event. Now last but not the least, according to this case leak, we can clearly see the difference between the S23 Ultra and the S22 Ultra. You can see that the button of the S23 Ultra are placed slightly below for the easier reach, and the camera lenses are definitely bigger with the Never DX Gorilla Glass lens for better line passage and of course minimizing the glare in the photos and videos. That's all the latest. Carrier subscribe if you are new here. With that being said, I will see you guys later. Peace out.